Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this issue, we will show you how to install beautiful and stylish honeycomb lighting easily and what advantages we have as a professional LED hexagonal lighting manufacturer. First of all, what is honeycomb lighting? Honeycomb lighting is a very popular lighting art today that can add a modern and stylish look to any space. In addition, honeycomb LED lighting is a cost-effective lighting solution because of its energy savings, durability, and longevity. Let's take another look at what are the components of a honeycomb lighting. It has aluminum or plastic housing, LED beads, hanging device, bracket, and other components. Now, let's prepare all the tools we need. Next, we will show the installation steps. After choosing a suitable location, follow the instructions on the manual to fix the fixture in the intended position. Our products are designed to be very simple and users can easily complete the installation without specialized skills. During the installation process, you will find that our honeycomb lighting, with its strong heat dissipation of the light source and energy efficiency, can effectively reduce energy consumption and prolong the service life. This is one of our major advantages as a professional manufacturer. Gonengo ensures a comprehensive manufacturing process from raw material to delivery. We have state-of-the-art production equipment and a strict quality control system to ensure that each fixture is produced quickly and with high quality. In addition, we have an experienced independent research and development and production team. From design to production, each link is perfect, to ensure that every detail of the product is perfect, and is committed to providing customers with efficient, energy-saving lighting solutions. We put our 13 years of experience in LED lighting design and manufacturing into honeycomb lighting products, making it a perfect combination of functionality and artistry, which not only provides efficient lighting, but also strengthens the overall artistic aesthetics of the space. If you want to add a unique and modern flavor to your space, it will be your best choice. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our lamps, welcome to visit our website for more information. We look forward to providing you with quality products and services. See you soon.